the other thing that came up to my mind is people cracking their own neck. So from a patient perspective, people, trying to rack their own neck and loosen it up. And like, first of all, it's terrible for your neck. So don't keep doing it, but keep doing it because it messes you up, and then you can come to me and I'll fix it. Something I used to believe. Well, I mean, I didn't grow up going to the chiropractor. So, I would say like my paradigm of health has totally shifted. And so that, like, and even my wife, like she grew up medical profession. Her dad was a nurse anesthetist and like totally indoctrinated